Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO in the building. We are trying out the new CVO. We gotta do a ride course. Oh, wide turns.
Yeah, so you can stop here. So you did hit that first cone.
Wider.
You gotta be mindful, like I said, you can run over a
Gotcha.
curb or a,
Gotcha.
so take wide turns. When you're rolling out of here, you're gonna have to have the visor down.
Yes,
okay?
yes.
So now, this is a good place for us to try reverse.
Okay.
So you gotta go to neutral. That's the first step. Neutral. Now press and hold the starter until the R light's up right here.
This one?
Yep. Press and hold. Now you let go. Next time you touch that, it's gonna back up. If you just hit it and let go, it's gonna lurch. If you press and hold, it'll go slow and smooth.
Okay.
Press and hold. Press and hold.
Oh,
that's better.
That's weird.
That's better. Now there's 3 ways to get out of reverse. You can turn the bike off, you can hit the parking brake, you can shift into gear. Since you're going on a ride,
Shift into gear.
Enjoy. But make sure that visor comes down, okay?
Okay.
All right, man.
Thank you. All right, guys, here we go. We are trying out this trike. Is it this way? Yeah. Here we go. Wow, this is weird. This is definitely weird. I feel so balanced. Very weird. Very, very, very weird. I have to watch out because they said when you make right turns, you have to have a radius of 4 feet wide. So I ran over 2 cones, so I have to be careful on the turns. This is so weird. I can't believe this. Unbelievable. I always wanted to try this bike. Always wanted to try this bike. Wide turns. Everything wide turns. First impression, very comfortable. The seat's super comfortable. I actually really like this seat. Oh my god. My wife is with me in the back. She is probably gonna enjoy this. I'm just a little skeptical. This is a little different for me. So let's see how it goes. Slingshots, look at that, all the way. I'm actually a little nervous. I don't know why. Very nervous. I'm not used to the clutch. Remember, I have the Roland Sands clutch, and this is a little different than mine. Same features as my bike has. All the gauges, radio. It has a reverse button. That's cool. I'm not gonna use it, so, because I'm afraid to use it. I don't know why. Wow, and this is a 117 motor. Very cool. Oh my god, I feel so different. Like, it's like effortless and balancing wise. I don't know if I have to turn here. Let me see. Nope, I guess not. I keep going straight. I'm gonna follow those guys because I think that they're on a test ride. So I'm gonna follow them, and I think they were supposed to go all the way around the loop of Daytona Speedway. But this is so comfortable. Oh my God. I love this. I think we have to make a right here. Let me see. The turns are definitely weird. It's like you're about to tip over, but you're really not. Let me put the map on here because I think I'm gonna get lost. Where am I at? Amazing. Amazing. I hope I'm going right. I don't know. $117, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yo, this is, oh my God. You know, people, if you haven't been if you haven't been on a test run on a three-wheeler, this is the most funnest bike I've ever been on. Incredible. And a 117 motor. Look at this. I don't even have to balance myself. It's just like super cool. I wonder how my wife's feeling on my back right now. Super wind over here. The turns, I'm not gonna lie, they are a little weird because you're turning and it's like, I don't know, I can't explain it. I feel like I'm gonna tip over for some reason. Oh my God, this is crazy. Wow, look at the sky, guys. Amazing. 40 mile an hour, I'm going 45. I feel like I'm flying in this thing. Amazing. Look at this thing, man. This thing is rolling. You know what? I can actually ride this no problem up and down the East Coast. I don't think I would have any type of problem. This thing is great. No balance whatsoever. My wife could ride this. I'm telling you, if all you ladies or men that are afraid to have like a motorcycle, this is highly recommended. Oh my God, highly recommended. The turns are a little, oh my God, I'm so scared of the turns. I don't know why. I don't know if I should go straight or make a right. Let's go straight. I think it's like one big giant loop. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. Brand new CVO trike. Awesome. Look at this. He said I don't even have to put my feet down at all. I'm so used to putting my feet down, and this is like pretty cool. I'm not used to this clutch. Definitely needs pipes. What do you think, babe? What? This is so much fun.
I think the slingshot is better.
What happened?
I think the slingshot is better.
It's better? A slingshot?
I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna, like, I don't know.
I don't know. I like this. It's fun. Woohoo! My wife's all into slingshots and stuff like that. And this is... I can't get enough of like how compliment this thing. Definitely would have to work on my turns. Definitely work on my turns because I feel like when I turn, the bike leans like weird. I don't know. It's hard to say. Well, this is definitely some retirement stuff, because when you can't balance yourself, or you have some knee problems or leg problems, or you're missing a leg. Oh no, wait a minute. You need your legs. This is unless you have an automatic one, but this is cool. I feel very dorky though, I ain't gonna lie. The seat's comfortable. I actually like this seat. The backrest is cool. Pretty cool. Look at all the bikes right there, all chilling. I feel like a grandpa on this thing. Oh my god, the light is so long. So much going on here. But let me tell you guys, this is a $50,000 bike. Like, this is no joke. This is some serious paper right here. $117, baby. These guys think they can race me. I have a 117 here, buddy. They don't know the power that this thing has. Daytona Speedway. Let me get over to the right. We're about to pull in, take the bike back to its demo. Very fun. A lot of fun. I definitely had a good time with this. Oh, I don't even know where to go in. Oh, we gotta keep going. Damn, this thing is so huge. All right, let's pump it up a little bit. Let her rip. Let her rip, baby. I think it's coming up. Where's the entrance? Oh no, here it is. Right here. This was a lot of fun, guys. Like I said, definitely try out the demo ride. Was fantastic. Wide turns. Oh, I definitely don't like this clutch. It's definitely weird. My wife doesn't like it. That's crazy. If I were her, she could even fall asleep back there and don't even worry about nothing. Unbelievable. Wow. This, I can say, is actually a fun video. You guys are gonna like this. See that? Demo time.
How was your ride?
Fantastic.
Oh, I saw this and I was like, oh no.
No, it's fantastic.
Good. I'm glad y'all liked it. You're all set to park.
All right, where do I park it? Right where it was?
To the road where you found it.
All right, thank you. Wide turns, wide turns. Oh, on the grass. On the grass. So many Harley workers. It's crazy. Always gotta look right.
You rock.
Cool.
If you can leave it in neutral.
Oh.
And press the parking brake. Pretty please.
Cool. 2022 thing is awesome, man. It looks good. Look at that. $50,000 motorcycle. It's a 117. big rims in the back. You got a trunk right here. Oh, you can't open it, but oh yes you can. Let me see. Look at that. I can stick my 2 dogs in there. Pretty cool. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this CVO. All right, see you on the next video. Peace.